If you're a fan of Aaron Plessinger, this is going to be good news for you. Well, depending on how you look at it. If you're a fan of him on the KTM, it's going to be good news to you because he has now signed an extension through 2024. He's going to be a KTM guy for at least another year. And he said, quote, "I just want to give a shout out to all the fans who have supported me throughout the year, and an even bigger shout out to Red Bull KTM Factory Racing for believing in me, and we're on to another year." So this will be his third year on the orange quad, on the orange bike, whatever you want to say it. Obviously one of the fan favorites and competitive. I mean, he's been good, he's been fast, and he's been healthy, which is this year especially been a very difficult thing to have a 450 rider stay healthy for the whole season, supercross and motocross, and still be going. So it's cool to see because I personally think he's one of the better personalities in the sport. Whether you think the whole cowboy thing is a act or not, whatever you want to say. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he does for next year? Do you think he's earned another year? Do you think he should have, the ride should have gone to somebody else? Whatever it is, comment it down below. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.